So I can't say thank you enough, man, to everybody that has been showing love, supporting the kid, for the dope experience yesterday at the McDonald's All-American game. It was fun hosting, man. Shout out to Powerade, shout out to Sprite, shout out to McDonald's. It was a lot of fun. But not only that, today I came home and look what I got in the mail! Man, Sprite, y'all love the kid, don't y'all? Y'all wanna see what's inside the box? Hey, check it out! Okay, so got the box. Let's see what this is right here. Open this up. What we got going on right here? Some action. Let me show y'all. Okay, nice little jacket. Yeah, y'all see it right there. Got the jacket. Nice little Sprite joint right there. Sprite jacket. Something cool, something light. You know what I'm saying? Here we go in the springtime. Let's see what we got over here. Alright. Let's see, we got the cap right here. Cool little baseball cap. Okay. Something else. Got the shirt, okay. The Sprite baseball tee. Some light. Some kind of light. Alright. Nice little cool baseball tee. Got me some Sprite headphones. Hell, these is dope. Definitely gonna use these when I travel. Shout out to Sprite. And of course, my favorite, a nice, cool, refreshing bottle of Sprite. Oh yeah, this thing's getting open today. Oh yeah, shout out to Sprite, man.